So we're at the Andy Warhol Museum.
It's fantastic. I love it.
And we have helium balloons all around us.
Anti-gravity.
Suddenly we're all very graceful.
Yes.
Kat's trying to get us kicked out by putting all of these into the small room. This looks awesome. Kat, what do you have to say for yourself? Oh, that's awesome.
Dreams, dreams of marshmallows, and then you wake up and your pillow is gone.